All right, so I just got the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. Because of that, I redid my whole desk setup. Before, I had the old 15-inch MacBook Pro, and there were just cables everywhere. I was super uninspired to work at my desk because of all the clutter, the lack of space, and it just looked super ugly. So here's how my new desk setup looks like. I hope you guys like it, all right? All right, so powering everything is this new MacBook Pro 16-inch. What I got was the 2.3 gigahertz i9 paired with 32 gigs of RAM, the 8 gig card, and just 1 terabyte of hard drive storage. I don't really need the 2 terabyte or the 2.4, so I opted out for those guys. So I made this one. They took around 2 weeks to do. Powering everything, there's only one cable in that bad boy right there. So I have the CalDigit TS3 powering everything. You also got the UA Aero. Right over here is my audio interface that connects my monitors and my speakers right over here, so I kind of like that. Got my 2 terabyte Western Digital hard drive, super cheap. And right here I just got a little charger, wireless charger. On the side, there's all my accessories that I put down. If I put my keys or my wallet, I put over here. Got a nice wireless keyboard right here. It's a mechanical wireless keyboard that lights up, which I really like. I got this like 50 bucks off of Amazon. I got a cheap little Logitech wireless mouse right there. Everything connects to the back of this bad boy. And it sounds amazing, these speakers. I have all my musical instruments over here. And I got my keyboard down here as well if I want to make music or play music. This is my desk setup right here. It's kind of nice. I also paired my whole room up with LifeX bulbs, and I'll show you my kind of this man cave setup a little later in another video. But like, hey Siri, turn the lights blue. All right, never mind. So they're not gonna do that right now. I also have this little stand that I got from Amazon as well. Pretty cheap. This was like 25 bucks. Holds everything nice and vertical. I like that. It's almost vertical because there's a little gap right there because this thing apparently is a little thinner. But whatever, I like it. Got a little plant over here as well from IKEA. Looks real. Not really, doesn't, but you know, adds to the aesthetic. Got my cable right over here. The monitor. Forgot about this guy. This is a 32-inch 4K monitor from LG. And this is not the USB-C connection one. I opted out and got the display port. I'm not going to show the display port in the back. So it has one display port and 2 HDMI cables. But the CalDigit TS3 does not have HDMI. It has DisplayPort 1.2. So no biggie. This thing was super cheap, and I'll link everything in the description below later. But yeah, this is basically everything else. $1. That was more than $1. But yes, hope you guys like it. All right, so hope you guys like that video. If you guys like it, let me know somehow. Follow me on Instagram at jplives2eats. But yeah, hopefully I'll be making more videos. I know I said that before, but I guess I made some videos since then. But because of this whole new setup, hopefully I'll be making better content now and hopefully better music too. Sheesh. But anyways, thanks for watching.